NGINX is a free and open source HTTP server and reverse proxy. It is known for its high performance, stability, rich feature set, and simple configuration. NGINX is used in combination with Daphne as an HTTP server to host Tethys platform in production. Install NGINX as follows. Supervisor is a process control system with similar capabilities to System D, but it is meant more for controlling processes for a project. In this case, we use Supervisor to control the various server processes of NGINX and Daphne that are used in our Tethys portal installation. Install Supervisor as follows. First, enable the EPL release. This is the extra packages for Enterprise Linux. Next, install Supervisor. Finally, start Supervisor using system control and then enable it so that it starts up when the server starts. Check the status using system control to ensure that it's running. Press Q to exit.